Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in Urdu. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon, or other menu to change the captions. Please note that this recipe is hot. You may adjust the chilies on the website. Take 200 grams of prawns in a dish. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Indian spice mix. Pour 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add half a teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste. Mix it well. Heat a 1/4 cup of oil on medium heat. Add 8 curry leaves. Fry a little. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry a little. Add 1/8 teaspoon of nigella seeds. Add 1/8 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Add half a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds. Fry a little. Add 1 finely chopped, medium onion. Stir fry till the onion is translucent. As the onion starts to change color, add half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry till golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir to mix well and fry a little. Add blended paste of 2 medium tomatoes. Stir fry for a couple of minutes. Cover and let cook for about 7 or 8 minutes. Fry a little till the oil starts to separate. Once the oil starts to separate, then add the marinated prawns. Mix well and cover to cook. Stir thoroughly after about 5 minutes. Cover and let cook for another 5 or 6 minutes. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Indian spice mix and mix well. Garnish with a few fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy with naan bread, chapati or rice.